what is a family, how many types of families are there, what we call for the person who are father, mother and two children. We call them as what family? It is a nuclear family, and it is also called as a small family. Okay, and then if more than 3 children and father, mother means it is a large family. Grandfather, grandmother and their children, it is also a large family. And if uncle, aunt and then whom? If uncle, aunt and their children, they all staying at home, it is a joint family. All the members together, it is a joint family. For whom we say joint family as grandparents, uncle, aunt, their children, father, mother and their children. All together we tell it as a joint family. So you have learned what is a family, and then you have learned what is the work done in the village, the nearby surroundings in the village, and what is the difference in between the village and the city. In the city, transportation within 1 minute, no problem. You can stand and you can, if you make call, you'll get Volo also, and transportation will be very easier. But in the village, we have to wait for the transportation, and in the village, air pollutions will not be there. But in the cities, full crowded, the air pollutions will be there, and also factories are there, polluted airs will be there in the cities, and in the village healthy air, greenery will be there. Okay, and village people will live a simple life, and cities they go for the posh life, and they get for lunch and all, no problem. If they make call, the home deliveries will come for cities. But in the village, we have to cook. We don't have the deliveries like in the village. And roads also will be little bit narrow and all, but in the cities, fast roads all will be developed, and fast means of transports will be there, but no means of transports in the village comparing to village. And in cities, easily the job secretaries will be there, plenty of jobs they will be getting. But in the village, they depend upon the agriculture and self creating, they depend upon their self this thing like barber, washerman, watering and all. They depend upon their self own this thing. They don't go for in search of jobs, and only few people will go nearby town. If there is, they'll be going for factories and all. Okay, and then in cities you can see big buildings, houses, skyscrapers and all. But in village only a few. But village people, town people and city people, all are same. Their lifestyles may differ, but they are all same human beings. Okay. Now you have learnt about the neighborhood of the city. Neighborhood in the village. What is the work of the bank function of the bank? Not only keeping our money when we need money, they also will give loan. They give some reduction, low interest for us, and when we keep our gold or documents, we'll get loan from the bank. And also a post office, not only buying the letter and posting the letters or buying the stamps, even some life insurance also are there in the post office. In the post office, you will get plenty of little bit high range of interest for our money. And then there is a veterinary hospital. Veterinary means what? Who takes care of animals. Okay, there the doctor, he look after the animals. Okay, then healthcare centers is there. What is the work of the healthcare center? There they'll come to our villages, they'll say, they advise us to keep the surroundings clean. If you don't keep the surrounding clean, what happens? and how to protect ourselves from diseases. Nowadays so many diseases are coming. If you don't do this, what happens? They advise us, they tell us to be safe, and if anyone is really not feeling well, they'll give medicines or they'll consult to the hospitals. Okay, and then you can see the schools that is up to where the primary section means the primary up to 5th, and then you can see even higher schools up to 10th in the village also. Then you can see what ma? Panchayat office. Who is the head of the Panchayat office? What work he'll do? The Sarpanch, he look after if anyone is not getting a proper, there is no proper street light, or if there is no proper water somewhere, water tank or some pipes may get damaged and water may be coming outside, he repairs and send the water for the everyone's houses. And then what he do? Look after the roads, lights and water. And then you can see a what? Milk center. Okay, where the milks have been collected. They collect the milk, the farmers will sell the milk there, and that milk will be collected and they will sell for the dairy. Okay, these are all the neighborhoods you can see in the village. Okay, nearby. And there people do their own, many you can see like pottery, goldsmith, or not blacksmith, he is working with the iron, making some tools, carpenter, making the doors, windows and all, cobbler who stitch slippers, tailor who stitches the blouses, dresses, everything. And then who is their barber who trims the hairs, and then you can see who? Washerman who washes the clothes. Okay, you can see them, but 70% of the people depend upon the agriculture. And in the city, plenty good quality educations will be there, and many schools are there, competition schools will be there in the city, but in the village only a few schools you can see, only few children will go for education, and some children that go for labor work because the family is in need. What the mother and parent earn, there can't be such a way, it will not be enough for them. So if mother and father, if everyone goes, if there is one small young child in the home, that elder one, she has to take care of that kid. So the mother and father will go and earn and come. If she is taking care of the kid, when she will go for school, so there is no chance for her to go for school. Okay. Now take your workbook. First you take your activity book, ma. I will give you the homework. See here, it's very easy for you. You have to paste. One second. First page in the activity book, he has given you the family members' pictures that you have to paste it and do the homework. And now you take your workbook, ma. Okay? Bye. Take your workbook. So you have taken your workbook, class 3. Class 3 videos. You have taken your workbook. In this workbook, what you are seeing, look at these pictures in the workbook first of all, okay? And then see here, Lakshmi, Venkat. So, in the top you can see Lakshmi and Venkat, and here Radha, Sushil, Vinal. So, Lakshmi is having 2 kids, one boy and one girl, their daughter, okay? And Radha and Vinu is his son. They got married and then they are having 3 children. Okay? Who will be for whom what we have to write here. Okay? Now, Lakshmi and Radha. Lakshmi to Radha. Lakshmi to Radha, what she is? She is her mother. They have given first one, mother. Okay. Now second, what is that? Dev to Indu. Now Indu, who is Indu? Indu. Indu to Devi. Devi is who? Devi is here. For Indu to Devi, what she becomes? She is her aunt. Okay. And then Indu to Bindu. Indu to Bindu. Indu to Bindu is what? Indu to Bindu. Indu and Bindu, they both are sisters. Indu and Bindu both are sisters. Shreyu to Amar. And where is Amar? Shreyu to Amar. Shreyu is his uncle. Vanu to Dev. Vinu to Dev. Devi is what? Husband. Amar to Venkat. Grandson. So, Indu to Veena. Veena. Where is Veena? Veena and Indu. What they are? So, uncle's children, what they become? They are cousin. And here, Shreyu to Chandu. Chandu is Shreyu and Chandu, he is his father. Sagar to Vinay, brother. Venkat to Chandu. Venkat is who? Venkat to Chandu, grandfather. Grandfather. Lakshmi to Sagar, grandmother. Grandmother. Radha to Shreyu, his wife. Radha is wife for Shreyu. Now, they are all the family members. You can see for this we say it as a family tree. These two are grandparents. These two are parents. For them they are having 2 children. Like who is this? Radha and Vinu. They are 2 sons, one girl and one boy. They got married for Devi and Shreyu. Okay. And now Shreyu and Radha are having 3 children and Vinu and Dev, they are having 3 children. Now this who is this? Chandu. Chandu for Venkat, what they have become? become grandparents. Okay, and then Hindu to Vinu. Vinit. This Hindu for Vinit, what they become? Now they are uncle, na? So uncle children is what? She is a cousin. Okay, and Shrayu to Chendu. Now he is Shrayu and what is he? Chendu. And what he is his father. Okay, and Sagar to Veena. This is Sagar and she is Veena. Who is he? He is a brother for Veena. Okay. Lakshmi to Sagar. Now where is Lakshmi? Who is Lakshmi? She is Lakshmi. And where is Sagar? He. Who are they? Now who is she? His father's mother. So she is what? She is a grandmother. Okay, got it? Share up the board. Now a family spends its income as shown in the figure below. Put the products in the order by the numbering them.